Hello, and welcome to week 4 of Segmental Phonetics and English Pronunciation. As you can see from the title slide, we're going to be studying approximants and allophony. We've already seen allophony last week when we discussed the relationship between the glides, the palatal glide y and the labial glide w, and the close vowels, right, e and u. Essentially, the tongue position is effectively the same, but the different pronunciations occur in different phonetic contexts. And that's actually the key element in allophony. And so we'll review that today and look at a few additional examples. Okay. As always, if you have questions, you're welcome to send email to me, or you're certainly welcome to post questions on the forum on Manaba. I'll try to check that regularly. Good luck with this week's lecture material, and I'll see you in the next video.